What up, man? K-Bo, it's Young and Getting It, man. This how we gonna do it real quick. Yeah, for real. Ah. Yeah. I do. She is. Yeah. Cause I'm young and I'm getting it. Young and I'm getting it. Young and I'm getting it. Yeah, I wrote this shit, so I gotta kinda read it, you know what I'm saying? Cause I just wrote this shit. Look. I'm young and I'm getting it, but I'm shitting on these old niggas trying to get this bread, but I ain't talking about no toast, nigga. I ain't gotta do shit. I'ma just let my bro get them, and he keep them tools like he working on that road, nigga. But I'm on my own, so you know I came up strong, and I'm smoking on that kush, so that kush is my cologne. And my bitch like to smoke, but I let her to fuck, and she said she wanna come back, cause she said she down to fuck. And I told her come over, and I let her roll up, and I want that pussy first before we smoke that damn blunt. And I said that shit backwards, cause I wanna bust a nut, and shawty like to suck, so I'ma let her suck. Thanks, man.